Back in the day, I was a DJ. As a music producer, I was offering my services as a producer in music, but these days we have AI, which can be made even better and even faster for the producers than 10 years ago. So if you look at Fiverr, you can actually type in, I will make music for you. You can actually do also this with other stuff, but in this video, I do the freelancing stuff for music producers. Then you will see that the prices can go up until 131.26. You can even have pro services. And these people are even verified. It starts at 100 euros, which is about the same time as dollars. And let's say what other services are. And some is even cheaper, but it also depends very little. If you are in India, it's a lot cheaper, of course, to produce for someone than when you live in California. However, what I want to show you guys today is this AI stuff called Riffusion or Riffusion. And for this, I will be putting on my headset. And then we can see how stuff like this sounds. And everything which you can do is here. Let's see what prompts we can use. Bongos on Havana Street. How does that sound? Okay. Let's see how bongos on Havana Street sound like. Okay, let's find some other prompts. Pop team. Let's see. It's okay. I don't really find it very fascinating, but maybe because I have a different type of taste. I've been a deep house and lounge DJ. Let's see how the techno DJ and a country fiddle sounds like. I mean, there are some prompts already, so I'm trying those out. Kenyan Mambo. Let's find out what we can do. Dodge, drum, and bass in up next. Come on, let's play that. Why can't I have this jump to upcoming? There we go. Let's try out what this does. Not really nice. You got permanent wave pop. I have no idea what this is, but it looks like it's gonna be amazing. I would love to hear this. I think we've seen enough. So with a little creativity, you can already make some pre-samples for this to give a real sample as what you can produce for yourself or for others, some very simplistic music. I do want to hear the bubblegum Euro dance. Let's see how that goes. So the technical part of this, it's been done through stable diffusion. And as you can see, there's all this technical stuff which you probably might not be interested in it. And if you are, I've just sent you a link. But in the meantime, try to use this tool for your freelancing services as a music producer on Fiverr. Or you can save money by not hiring a freelance music producer because they're probably going to use some AI anyway. Until next time.